Duties and responsibilities of a third officer. What third officer usually responsible for? 1. The third officer keeps navigational watch on the bridge as officer of the watch, OW. Usually during 0800 to 1200 and 2000 to 0000 hours, ensuring safe navigation and collision avoidance. 2. The third officer prepares port papers as instructed by the master. This includes pre-arrival, arrival, or departure port papers. 3. He prepares and maintains emergency drill and training records, ensuring crew readiness for emergencies. 4. The third officer maintains inventory of bonded stores. He also prepares monthly bond account calculations. 5. Under the supervision of the chief officer, the third officer is responsible for inspection, testing, and maintenance of LSA and FFE, including lifeboats, life rafts, life jackets, immersion suits, and fire equipment. 6. Third officer maintains stowage, labeling of flags, like country and signaling flags. 7. The third officer updates muster lists, LSA manuals, and fire training manuals regularly. 8. He assists during mooring and unmooring operations, following safety procedures on deck. 9. The third officer assists the chief officer during cargo handling and ballast operations, ensuring safe and efficient ship operations. The third officer's duties are vital for ship safety, compliance, and smooth operations of the ship.